Everybody, step 2. Oh, whiteboard, sorry. Reaction number 2. So remember, we left the fume hood. Our copper is now part of this solution. All right, the copper atoms are now in here. Now they're linked up with the nitrate, so we have copper nitrate. And so they're linked up in here, so it doesn't look like copper metal, but they are part of this blue liquid that's dissolved in water. And so we added water to it, just so we have more of it to work with. And so in this step, so if you're looking at your lab handout, we just finished up steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're at step 5. So step 5 says take your beaker back to your table. And in front of the classroom, we're going to add 1 full pipette of 8 molar sodium hydroxide. So here's sodium hydroxide, 8 molar, which means it's very, very concentrated. And so I have pipette here. So I'm going to put that in and fill it up. And that's about 2 milliliters. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add that. I'm going to go ahead and we're using this one here. This is the undiluted form. I'll get that out of the way. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put this on top of the whiteboard so we have a better contrast so you can see the colors. And it's actually too white. All right, I'll just do it this way. Check that out. Pretty awesome, right? That is what we call a precipitate reaction. All right, we got a nice royal blue solid in here. So I'm gonna hold this up a little bit. Check that out. Very pretty color. And I know historically we're gonna need a little bit more of this sulfuric acid. I'm gonna add, or sodium hydroxide. I'm gonna add a couple more drops. All right. So now, a little heads up here. Our copper is part of this blue solid at the bottom. All right, so that is where our copper's at. All right, so that ends reaction number 2.